Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? Please like my video. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel with the bell. Let's start. We need
boiled potatoes, sweet corn, fried Golgappay, paprika powder, cheese, salt, black pepper.
Take 1 cup of corns. Add 2 cups of mashed potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Add salt as your taste. Add 2 tablespoons of paprika powder. Mix it very well. Take Golgappay and do small hole in it. Add some mixture in it. Add some pizza sauce in it, also some cheese. Bake it for 5-6 minutes on 180 for melt these cheese.